Physics Part 84. Number 2, a ruler is pivoted at its center of gravity and the weights are hung from the ruler as shown in the figure. Calculate A, the total anti-clockwise moment about the pivot, the magnitude of the force F. Number 3, a uniform plank of the weight 120 Newton rests on two stools as shown in the figure. A weight of 80 Newton is placed on the plank midway between the stools. Calculate the force acting on the stool at A, the force acting on the stool at B. A nut is to be tightened to a torque of 16 Newton per meter. Calculate the force which must be applied to the end of a spanner of length 24 centimeter in order to produce this torque. Exam style questions. Number 1. A, state what is meant by work done. What is meant by power? B, show that when a gas expands by an amount delta V against a constant pressure P, the work done W is given by W is equal to P delta V. And explain why when the gas in one expands suddenly it is likely to cool. C, the air in the car tire has a volume of 7.8 into 10 centimeter cube. The tire suddenly burst and the air expands to 3.5 times its original volume in a time of 2.5 meter per second. Atmospheric pressure is 1.0 into 10 power raised to 5 Pa. Calculate the work done by the air in tire during the expansion. Number 2, the mean power dissipated in the tire burst. Number 2, A, explain a reference to examples from different areas of physics. What is meant by potential energy? B, 1, state the law of conservation of energy. B2, explain how the law may be applied to a bale dropped from a height of h to a horizontal surface after several bounces. C, a car of the mass 950 kg is traveling along a straight horizontal road at a speed of 32 meters per second. It is brought to rest by applying its brakes. All of the kinetic energy of the car may be assumed to be converted into thermal energy of the discs of the brakes. There are 4 discs, each of the mass 1.9 kg and made of the metal of specific heat capacity 420 joule kilogram. Calculate the temperature rise of the brakes when the car stops. 3A, define the specific heat capacity. Define the specific latent heat vaporization. B, explain what is meant by the thermal capacity of a body. 2, explain what is meant by a metal has a mass M and specific heat capacity C. Derive an expression relating M and C to the thermal capacity of C of the metal. Number 3, in what circumstances is thermal capacity a more useful concept than a specific heat capacity? C. An electric kettle has a power of output 2.3 kilowatt. The kettle is used to heat a mass of 950 gram of water of specific heat capacity 4200 joule kilogram.